Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today we're going to talk about encryption, compression, and decompression, VTP, and introduction to cryptography. But before we start, we're going to introduce ourselves. My name is Lilis Putri Arumsegar with my TRIWAS NRP is 068 and my partner.
I'm Juta Maulidina Mahmuda and TRIWAS number 38.
So what is encryption? So encryption is a process used to convert plain text or any form of data into a code from called ciphertext, making it unreadable to anyone who doesn't process the proper key to describe it. For the example, imagine you have a secret message and write it in a special code. Encryption is like that code, protecting sensitive data like personal. Then what about compression and decompression? Compression and decompression are like shrinking and inflation a balloon. Compression makes files smaller, saving storage space and transmission time, while decompression brings them back to the original size and format.
VTP or Virtual Tunneling Protocol, a key proprietary protocol that propagates that definition of virtual local area networks or VLAN across the entire local area network. Carries VLAN information to all switches within a VTP domain, including management domain, configuration revision number, and known VLANs with their parameters. VTP advertisement can be sent over 8000 to 0.1 key and ISL trunks. Next. Cryptography. Cryptography is the science of using mathematics to encrypt and decrypt data. Cryptography enables you to store sensitive information or transmit it across insecure networks or like the internet, so that it cannot be read by anyone except the intended recipient. Next. Cryptography achieves three main goals: confidentiality or secrecy. This ensures only authorized individuals can understand the information. It's like scrambling a message, so only someone with the key can decode it. Integrity. This guarantees that data has not been altered during transmission or storage. Imagine a tamper-proof seal on a document to verify it has not been modified. Non-repudiation. This proves that someone sent or received a message, preventing them from denying their involvement later. It's like a digital signature that proves authenticity.
And then it's time to journal review. This journal is about the material that we talked before. The first journal is about CPFs, a ciphertext policy attribute-based searchable encryption scheme. The research paper introduced the ciphertext policy of attribute-based searchable encryption, or CPFC, scheme for enabling keyword-based search and fine-grained access control over encrypted data in cloud computing. The scheme includes an algorithm for setup, key generation, encryption, trapdoor generation, and search. It is designed to provide secure searchable encryption, outperforming previous scheme in terms of performance and security against choosing plain text and eavesdropper attacks. And then the second journal is about adaptive pipeline hardware, architecture design and implementation for image lossless compression or decompression based on GPGLS. The paper addresses the challenge in medical imaging due to increasing resolution demand, resulting in storage and transition issues. Its proposed an adaptive pipelines hardware architecture for lossless compression or decompression of medical image based on the GPAGLS algorithm implemented on the Field Programmable Gate Array or FPGA. The adaptive pipeline hardware architecture for GPAGLS compression or decompression improve efficiency by optimizing the hardware design, enhancing memory access efficiency, and achieving a balance between performance and complexity. The third journal is Effective VTP Model for Enterprise VLAN Security. The paper discussed the reduction of administrative work through VTP model in inter-VLAN routing and present a simulated VLAN design using a VTP. The benefit of using VTP model is inter-VLAN communication, such as centralized configuration change the propagation of information to all switches in a domain.
The fourth journal is discuss security and privacy schemes in vehicular ad hoc network with identity-based cryptography approach, a survey. The article provides a survey on security and privacy schemes in vehicular ad hoc networks or VANET using identity-based cryptography. Identity-based contribute to enhancing security and privacy in VANET by providing a more efficient and secure way to manage identities and authentication. These schemes help address issues like impersonation, attacks, and ensure secure communication between vehicles in the network. Additionally, identity-based cryptography can reduce the computational overhead and improve scalability in finite environment. Next. The fifth journal discuss chaos-based speech encryption using microcontroller. The encryption and decryption process was carried out on system embedding microcontrollers. The hardware implementation consists of two STM32F401RE base Nucleo birds clocked at 84 MHz with internal FPU as well as two microSD cards to record and transmit audio. Given an audio signal and the PRBG. The encryption process is as follows. The information signal is first transformed into its binary representation. To do so, a pre-processing step is performed on the signal. To realize a robust and secure communication between the embedded device, a master and slave protocol is introduced, consists of the following steps. The first, the master transmits a start signal to begin the communication procedure. Two, then the slave replies with a UID or unique ID if the UID is trust. 3. The third, the master responds with handshake to seal the communication process and proceed with the encrypted data. The fourth, after the handshake, the master proceeds by emitting the encrypted data in a 30-byte long raw string format. The communication protocol introduced forced the slave to also expect 30-byte long raw string format. 5. Once the slave receives 30-byte long strings, respond with ECK or NECK, egg or neck, acknowledge or not acknowledged. 6. The master transmits over signal when the communication finishes and the slave responds with egg plus over. Next. The sixth journal discusses security issues in visual cryptography scheme with known random number sequence. This paper focuses on another issues of RNS. How does RNS affect the security of VCS? According to the secret sharing process of VGS discusses above, the security of visual cryptography scheme released on the basis matrices and RNS. Computer security is carried out by dividing pixels.
So that's it, our presentation. If you guys have any question, you can comment on the comment section below. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.